we didn't go into the Woodside home office expecting to buy a home that day. It was just kind of like, we really like this home. What do we need to do to actually buy it?
We didn't think we could.
Yeah, we didn't think we could. We didn't think it was something we could do. And a lot of folks my generation like aren't buying homes, and like, well, can I even buy a home? When we went into the car, we were driving home. It's just like,
oh my gosh, we're gonna be homeowners.
Like, are we actually doing this? Like, are we gonna have a home? Like, is this actually happening? And we're like, yeah.
Yeah, we were really excited.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I don't know. It was like
no buyer's remorse.
Yeah, I didn't have any buyer's remorse. The quality of the homes are great. I mean, that's why we really came to Woodside. You know, you guys already seems like you're catering to what people, or the trends that people already want in your base product. You offered a lot of stuff standard. So, you know, you got standard granite, standard 10-foot ceilings.
8-foot doors.
8-foot doors. The radiant barrier ceiling. I guess that's all stuff that might be standard, you know? But most builders make it seem like that's an upgrade. Like, you know, like, you gotta get that. But you guys are like, no, that's standard. You know, it's not like you're gonna get, you know, something that was in homes 5 years ago. It's like, no, you're gonna get the industry standard today, you know, the best of the best today, and then you can choose your cosmetics. It's been a goal of ours to be able to own a home. You know, we have these goals, you know, set up, and for our first home being a build, a lot of people are surprised. But again, the process was like easy. You know, it was easy. I don't know what more to say. It didn't seem very hard. You know, a lot of people say home buying is a nightmare, but
it wasn't for us.
No, it was great.
Yeah.